What happens when a major airport says no to hackers? Kuala Lumpur International Airport found out the hard way. Here's the story. You're receiving the CyberStreams System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, $10 million ransom rejected. How an airport fought back with a whiteboard. At CyberStreams, we know how fast cyber attacks can disrupt operations, especially for small businesses like law firms, universities, nonprofits, and manufacturers. But what happens when hackers target critical infrastructure like an airport? Kuala Lumpur International Airport, or KLIA, faced this nightmare on March 23, 2025, when a ransomware attack forced staff to ditch digital systems and use a whiteboard to manage flight information. The attack targeted Malaysia Airports Holdings Berhad, or MAHB, which operates KLIA, one of the Southeast Asia's busiest airports. Hackers demanded a $10 million ransom after paralyzing key systems like flight information displays, check-in counters, and baggage handling. Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim rejected the demand in under 5 seconds, stating, "There is no way this country will be safe if its leaders and system allow us to bow to ultimatums by cybercriminals and traitors." The result? Systems were down for over 10 hours, forcing staff to manually write flight details, destinations, times, gates on a whiteboard, a scene reminiscent of the pre-digital days. While no group has claimed responsibility, the attack mirrors a growing trend of ransomware targeting airports, with Sophos reporting that 66% of critical infrastructure operators globally have faced such attacks. For your business, this is a wake-up call. A law firm's client database, a university's student records, or a manufacturer's production schedule could be just as vulnerable. In 2025, Ponemon Institute report notes that 82% of ransomware attacks now involve data exfiltration, meaning attackers can steal your data before locking you out. KLIA's manual workaround kept flights moving, but at a cost. Delays, chaos, and a hit to reputation. Small businesses might not recover so easily. At CyberStreams, we've seen businesses face similar risks when they leave systems exposed or lack a solid recovery plan. Paying the ransom isn't the answer. Ibrahim's stance aligns with expert advice to avoid funding future attacks, but being unprepared can be just as costly. Preparation is your best defense against ransomware. CyberStreams can help you build a strategy to protect your operational and bounce back without resorting to whiteboards. Don't wait for an attack to test your resilience. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, back up everything. Regularly back up critical data. KLIA's whiteboard workaround wouldn't have been needed with a solid recovery plan in place. Second, harden your defenses. Use network segmentation and endpoint protection to limit an attacker's reach. CyberStreams' Cyber Fit Assessment can identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses. And third, train for the unexpected. Prepare your team for manual operations if systems go down. Want to dig deeper? Check the link below or email me at matt@cyberstreams.com if this resonates. This concludes your CyberStreams system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.